Okay, so how do you get on with that handle then?
I'm saying if this ever business closes or I decide to leave, I'm taking this.
What's so good about that one?
I don't know. It's just the feel of it. It's just like I gravitate towards it, even though it's not the hammer what you should use for everything. I don't know. It just feels nice.
When it arrived, I felt that the handle there, the way it flares, just feels just right. Yeah. It feels very solidly bonded. Yeah. And there is just something about it that's hard to communicate.
It's just nice. It's nice and it's well balanced. Enough F to it, but you're not going to break it.
Yeah, but and a harder face than the other dead blow, right? Because sometimes maybe that's a bit too soft, a bit too imprecise.
But again, that feels nice in hand as well.
Yeah. So this one, better for cabinetos. Yeah. Because it's a bigger face, it's soft, but it's still a good firm blow. Yeah. That one, just a bit more precise, a bit of a harder blow.
Yeah, and it a bit of a harder blow, but it still does soft stuff like I were knocking, on rim at games table.
Yeah.
I were banging in cabineto caps, and it don't break them.
Oh yeah, okay. It's kind of spraying now.
Positive,
okay, when you just need a bit of force, a bit less than a metal hammer. Good.
And even when you hit something, I'm not going to smash it, but even when you hit something like that, even though it's a harder face, it doesn't mar it.
So good for tapping stuff when something's a tight fit, tapping it into place.
It's nice, right weight. I feel like I could carry it in my pocket and not know it.
Okay, yeah. Not too bulky. That's good. Good feedback. Right, gotta go.